Hi, this is Jessica Fox filling for VETT222 Task 11 Serologic Elisa test. Here's the OCCI certificate here at the Lafayette Veterinary Clinic. And today we'll be performing the SNAP Feline Triple. So I have the test here and the conjugate, the patient's EDTA whole blood sample. And for this test you can use serum, plasma, or whole blood. A 10-minute timer, a little pipette, and the manufacturer's instructions, as well as this little, this is where we'll mix the sample. So the feline triple test tests for heartworm, feline leukemia, and FIV. So the first step is to, according to the manufacturer's instructions, you'll use 4 drops of the conjugate. Okay. And then 3 drops of the patient's sample. So 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now you're going to take this tube and invert it 3 to 5 times to thoroughly mix. All right, and then you're going to place it in the sample well here, the entire contents. All right, it's going to slowly creep up here. And you're going to wait till it gets to this little window, and as soon as you see the sample in the window, you're going to snap the test down and then start the 10-minute timer. And you do want to make sure that this is on a horizontal flat, sturdy surface. It's almost flowing across the result window here. All right, so you can start to see it in that little window, so I'm going to go ahead and snap it down, start the timer, and when that test is done, we'll be back. And I do want to mention that this test, the conjugate and the sample, was warmed up for 30 minutes prior to this test, which is according to the manufacturer's instructions. Okay, so now that the timer is up, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our results here. This is the control dot, as you can see according to the manufacturer's instructions. The control dot is there, but none of the other dots have popped up, which means this patient is negative for the FIV, feline leukemia, and the heartworm. So I'm going to head on over to the patient's medical record and record that in the results here. So we can safely say negative for heartworm, feline leukemia, and FIV. You put your initials there and send the results to the doctor. And that completes task 11.